Welcome to soapNcrafts. This video was originally filmed a few years ago. It has now been remade and re-edited with explanation. The main demonstration uses a microwave method to make transparent soap quickly and easily. This is my original recipe with fractionated coconut oil. I will also show you the calculation of lye in here. Since it's a transparent soap, you need to know that any superfat will make the soap opaque. Therefore, there will not be superfat or lye deduction for this recipe. Both coconut oil and stearic acid will join the saponification. Therefore, I will use their weight multiplied by their saponification value to get the sodium hydroxide amount, and then add up the numbers to get the total lye that you need for this recipe. This recipe is for regular coconut oil. Again, we will use the weight to multiplied by the saponification value, and then add up the numbers to get the total lye that you need for this recipe. Before starting, make sure you're working in a well-ventilated area. Always wear safety goggles and gloves, and follow standard soap-making safety practices. Sodium hydroxide must be handled with care. First, place the coconut oil, stearic acid, and glycerin into a large heat-safe glass container. Heat the mixture in the microwave for 2 to 4 minutes until the stearic acid is fully melted. Stir the mixture thoroughly. Once melted, remove it and stir again. In a separate container, prepare distilled water. Slowly add the sodium hydroxide to the water in small portions, stirring continuously until fully dissolved. When sodium hydroxide mixes with water, it generates high heat and strong fumes. Carefully pour the lye solution into the oil mixture. The lye and oils begin reacting and forming soap. Stir using a whisk or hand mixer. Once the soap reaches a mashed potato consistency, slowly and carefully add the alcohol. Add the alcohol in small batches while observing the texture. After all the alcohol is added, cover the container and return it to the microwave. Heat the soap to above 80 degrees until most solid pieces melt into liquid. Heat in 1-minute intervals and extend if needed. The heated soap may bubble, and some solids may remain partially unmelted. As long as the temperature is high enough, this is fine. Remove it and stir thoroughly. Heat and stirring will gradually turn the soap transparent. The remaining lumps will slowly dissolve. This is a quick and easy method, usually taking about 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's test the pH using test strips. At this stage, the pH is around 9, which is considered mildly alkaline. Even without superfat or lye deduction, the pH remains within a safe range. Heating accelerates saponification, so a fully saponified soap has no excess free alkali. Pour the soap into a plastic container to set. Hot process soap still requires curing. It can usually be used after 1 to 2 weeks. If you plan to remelt it as a melt and pour base, it can be used once fully solidified. I've shared 2 more detailed transparent soap tutorials in my channel. with in-depth explanations and troubleshooting. Those videos also include a new ultra-clearer transparent soap formula. Make sure to check them out if you'd like more details. Thank you very much for watching. I've spent a lot of time testing and improving this transparent soap formula, and I'll continue to update and refine it in the future. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel. I share most of my recipes for free, and if you'd like to support my work, you're welcome to join my YouTube membership. In the member area, I've also shared a non-alcohol transparent soap method for those who prefer an alcohol-free option.